Hey guys, Drew Mead here from MarineMax on Lake Lanier, standing on a 2026 Sylvan L3. One of my favorite places on the L3 is the extended stern deck. So I'm going to start the video off back here in the back. I'm going to talk about all of my favorite features back here. This boat is powered with a Yamaha 250 SHO. Plenty of power for the L3. This is a 23-foot boat. The Yamaha 250 is going to push this boat up into the high 30s, close to 40 if you're trimmed out just right. Really quiet ride. All of the V engines sound great, so you can't go wrong whether it's Mercury or Yamaha with a V engine. They're going to sound excellent. So back here on that swim platform that I was talking about, we have two extensions. So the pontoon's actually cut off right here where this silver plate is, and this extended stern deck gives you all this additional real estate back here. I've had customers add grills back here on the corner, so you can have a propane cookout grill back here on one side, and then you can have your swim ladder on the other. One of the cool things that Sylvan does is they fence in this transom area, which does a couple things. If you've got pets or little kids, keeps them safely inside the boat when you're underway. But legally speaking, it makes this entire aft sunbed here a legitimate seat to ride in when you're underway. So if the boat does not have that fence on the back, then this is not a space you can sit in when you're underway. So with the fence, you then pick up all of this additional seating here. Sylvan's done a really nice job with this huge adjustable sun pad bed back here. So right now I've got it set up in the aft facing position. Underneath here is storage. I'll give this a quick lift for you to look at. Huge storage compartment, plenty of room for life jackets, water toys, anything you need. I'd like to use this one as like the wet storage area. As you can see, it doesn't have a floor. It just goes straight down to the deck of the boat. So toss your wet life jackets, your pool noodles, everything right in there when you're finished. And some of the things that might be difficult to see are these rear facing speakers. So you have a transom stereo controller here. This is a Bluetooth wet sounds sound system, two 6.5-inch speakers rear facing. So if you're hanging out on the back of the boat, which again is one of my favorite spots on this boat, you've got stereo control, you've got a phone charger here. So that's USB and USB-C. So you can have phones plugged in, charging, you can be the DJ, and you can entertain your guests who are floating off in the back of the boat, enjoying the water. Moving forward, we take this rear-facing seat and turn it into a forward-facing lounge simply by lowering that seat back. You now have a really nice L-shaped lounge area here that's centered around this table. The table is completely removable, so should you want the floor space, you can take the table out with just a push of a button. It unscrews, and then underneath all of these seats is additional storage. This is going to be that roto-molded plastic-lined storage compartments. So unlike that wet storage area in the back, this is all going to be dry storage. So it's completely encased in plastic. You can store your dry towels, your purses, your day bags, anything you need to under the seats, and keep them constantly dry. So as we move about the boat, I'm just going to point out additional phone chargers. There's two cup holders here, another USB and USB-C charging port here. It seems like you're never too far from a phone charger on this boat. This is another adjustable backrest. So right now we're in the forward-facing tandem. You could fit 3 kids on the seat here, but if you wanted it to face aft, you can lean it that way, and now everybody's a part of this second social zones here. So we got one big social zone in the back, 2 here in the cockpit area. This can be forward facing. You have storage underneath that seat here, and this brings us to the helm. This is a really nice feature of the L3, the raised helm platform. So this is a fiberglass and gel coat helm area. It is elevated, which puts the captain's height of eye up above the windshield, makes navigating the boat very simple. All of the controls are right here at your fingertips. The boat is equipped with underwater lights, docking lights, interior lights. You have a master power selection switch there, so you can power up all of your 12-volt stuff. And then probably the key feature here at the helm is going to be the Simrad multifunction display. So that is going to serve as your chart plotter, your GPS combo. You've got all the relevant data right there at your fingertips. So depth, speed, time of day. You can get fuel economy info right there off the Simrad screen, just anything you could possibly need. The boat does also have power assisted steering, so don't worry about all that torque off of the 250 horsepower engine. You'll be able to turn it with just one finger. That's going to make docking super simple, right? Just the ease of steering that 250 horsepower around is going to make it very nice. Up above our heads here, casting this lovely shade, is an electric Sure Shade bimini top. So with the push of a button right here at the helm, this top can be collapsed completely. If everybody wants sun, super easy to get it. Also underneath this nice fiberglass and gel coat helm area is a large storage compartment. So I've had folks put, Rubbermaid totes and stuff like that in there. It just gives you one additional space to get some things off the floor of the boat. You can fit a cooler inside there if you like. There is an in-floor storage compartment here right down the center tune. And then up here in the bow, again with the phone chargers, we've got another one on the port side. USB, USB-C, along with 2 more cup holders. Same thing on the starboard side. These 2 really nice forward lounges. These have the same roto-molded plastic liner storage compartments. That one's got the boat cover inside of it. And then these can be used as your anchor locker. Nice to have your anchor stored up front where you're going to use it. So the L3 is just an awesome combo, high horsepower, a lot of fun, very stable, great ride. I encourage you to come see it. We're at Bald Ridge Marina on Lake Lanier. My name's Drew Mead, and it's MarineMax. Looking forward to seeing you.